With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student. In this question, in the each of the following figure, write BC, AC and CD. You have to write these line segments BC, AC and CD in the ascending order. Means you have to tell which side is smaller than which side greater. Okay. So let's observe the first part. Yes. In the first part, first of all, try to find out the remaining angles. Okay. Let me mark the sides which we have to correlate here. So one, they are asking about side BC and AC and CD. We have to write these three sides in ascending order. Which one is smallest, then greater, and then greater one. Which one is? Okay. So first try to find out remaining angles. As here AB is equals to AC. So it become an isosceles triangle. So for isosceles triangle, what can we say? Angle B, that will also become 67. Angle B also 67 as angle C is 67. So B also becomes 67. Okay, now in triangle ABC, you can apply. Two angles are known. Then to find the third angle, what we used to do? Always angle sum property. For the time being, let this angle is x. Okay. So in triangle ABC, x plus 67 plus 67 and total is 180. Angle sum property we are using here. So the value of x we get 180 minus 134, that is 46 degree. Now between these two sides BC and AC, yes, angle opposite to side AC 67 and angle opposite to side BC, now this value is 46. So clearly this angle is bigger, as angle B is greater than angle X, or we can write in this way also. Yes, as angle X is smaller than angle B. Okay, so side opposite to angle X, that is BC, is shorter than side opposite to angle B. Angle B opposite side AC. So this we got one important result. Now let's see the situation in the second triangle. In this triangle, this green one. Now we are talking in this triangle, and let's name this angle as Y. And now we want to correlate AC and CD. Okay. So what are the values of their opposite angles? AC opposite angle is 33. Angle opposite to AC is 33. Now angle opposite to CD. Angle opposite to CD is Y. And Y we can calculate easily. Here Y we can calculate by exterior angle property. Y will be 67 exterior angle minus 33. So it is 34. Angle Y is 34. So now you can observe angle Y is the larger angle. So side opposite to angle Y will be longer. CD will be longer. So we can say here, this implies that AC is shorter than CD. Now you can write these two inequalities combinedly. Yes, finally BC is shorter than AC and AC is shorter than CD. So this is the ascending order of these three line segments. Now similarly in the second part, now logics are clear. Angle 73 is larger than 47. So side opposite to angle 73. Side opposite to 73 will be longer and side opposite to 47 will be shorter. So here also we can say, as angle B is greater than angle A, you can understand this angle A I am writing for 47 degree. Not complete angle A, only 47 I am talking about. So angle B is greater than 47. So 47 is smaller, so its opposite side BC will be shorter than AC. Also in triangle ABC, by using angle sum property, you can find out angle D. Value of angle D, just add 73, 47, 31 and subtract all these from 180. You will be getting the value of angle D as 29 degree. So clearly angle D is smaller and as compared to this one. Angle D is smaller, so its opposite side will be shorter. Here also AC will be shorter. So it means AC will be shorter than this bigger angle, its opposite side CD. AC will be shorter than CD. So again you can combine these two inequalities. BC smaller than AC, AC smaller than CD. So collectively we can say BC less than AC and AC less than CD. In both the parts we are getting the same ascending order. This is your answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.